Hi guys, it's me Pravan. This is INVENTO.tech, the scale of magnificent dimensions. Today we are going to see the Google Assistant tips which was not revealed before. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon below so that you'll get instant updates when I publish my video in YouTube. Now let's go to the video. Here comes the controlling technique which makes Google Assistant to behave according to your wish. Let's get to the trick. First, open your Google Assistant app. Then go to the accounts, then assistant, and just scroll down and look for routines. Now click on the button add a routine. Now you have few instructions that you're supposed to do. First one is the add commands. In this section you could text anything you want so that Google Assistant will act upon it. Set a time and day is an optional. Assistant will add action. In this section you should text relevantly according to the language of Google Assistant. Then comes the add then play add media. In this section, you have various options to do like music, news, radio, podcasts, audiobook, sleep songs, and etc. So you should set upon to your wish. And this is how you are supposed to do the multiple commands. In this world, many of them will like beatboxing. So here is an example from Google Assistant. Hey Google, do beatbox for me.
You want more? You got it.
If you haven't seen this beatbox technique before, then comment below. If you are a Marvel fan, then you should dare to do the Marvel quiz in Google Assistant. Let me show you how to do it. Hey Google, Marvel quiz.
Alright. Which one would you like to try?
Marvel movie quiz.
Getting Marvel movie quiz.
Hey there, welcome back to Marvel Movie Quiz. This is your first question. Thanos belongs to which planet? Moon, Titan, or Asgard?
Titan.
Yes! That's correct. Question 2 is coming up. What is the professional Stephen Strange aka Doctor Strange? Doctor Neurosurgeon, UV honors.
Dr. Neurosurgeon.
That's right. Nice work. Question 3 is coming up. What is the name of Deadpool's line to make that operator? Yes, I double checked and you're actually right. Question 4 coming up. What color chose Doctor Strange? Yo, lightsaber or star?
Clock.
You're quite a competitor, and you got it right. Great job. This is question number 5. Which character has never appeared in Avengers films? Stephen, Wasp, or Bucky?
And this is how you're supposed to do the Marvel quiz. Have you ever felt that voice of Google Assistant is boring? If you want, you can change the voice of Google Assistant in the settings. Let's go to it. Now, open the Google Assistant app. Then Accounts. Then go for Assistant. Then go for Assistant Voice. Now you have various color options like red, orange, yellow, and many more. Now let me just put up some more.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant. If you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just stop here.
You have various sound options like
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant. If
you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just
stop here.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant. If you like this voice and want me to keep using it,
Just stop here.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant. If you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just stop here.
And this is how you can use many voices in Google Assistant. Hi guys, as we are in lockdown period, I hope that many of them will be playing board games and other games too. If you don't have a dice to play, then your phone has. Let's go to it. Hey Google, roll a die.
You rolled 1.
See, it's interesting, right? Children keep playing and laughing, but now we all are in a critical situation. So this technique helps the children to wash their hands frequently in their own way. Let's see how to do that. Hey Google, help me wash my hands.
Wash, wash, wash your hands for 40 seconds, please. Soap will chase the germs away so you don't cough and sneeze. Lather up your hands about a half a minute more. Get in between each finger, you can never be too sure. Clean, clean, clean your hands, and if you're getting bored, remember friend that in the end good health is your reward. Scrub, scrub, scrub your hands, you're almost there, hurry. Soap and water lather up at least 5 times a day. Rinse, rinse, rinse your hands, just 5 more seconds now. We're having fun, we're almost done, now let's get you a towel.
Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, subscribe, like, share and comment this video.